In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your domain from WordPress.com. This is a simple and straightforward tutorial designed for beginners. So if you're new to this, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step. To start, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress.com account. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Home section. You can find this easily by clicking on your site's name in the top left corner of the WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the right spot, go ahead and click on the Upgrades option. This section is your go-to for managing anything that enhances your site's capabilities, including domain management. Once there, you'll see several options, but our focus will be on the Domains tab, so go ahead and click that. Now, if you're thinking of adding a new domain, or simply want to manage the ones you already have, click on Add New Domain. This will take you to a page where available domains will be displayed. Take a moment to explore the options. It's a great opportunity to select a domain name that resonates with your brand or content. Once you've decided on a domain, just click on Add to Cart to proceed. After adding the domain to your cart, the next step is to click the Continue button. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you review your selection, as this step confirms your decision to purchase the domain. With your selection confirmed, it's time for checkout. Click on the Checkout button, which will lead you to the final steps. Here, you'll click on Continue to Payment to finalize the transaction. Ensure that your payment information is accurate and complete, as this is essential for the successful purchase and registration of your new domain. Once the payment is completed, navigate back to the Domains Management section by clicking on Manage All Domains. This is where the magic happens. This section allows you to not only view your domains, but also move your existing domain to the new one you just acquired. It's important to remember that patience is key throughout this process. Domain propagation might take some time, so if you don't see changes right away, don't fret. Simply allow some time for DNS updates to take place. By following these steps, you can seamlessly move your domain on WordPress.com, making sure your site has the best online presence possible. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides, and feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below.